Vacuum dirt and debris from the windowsill or door threshold prior to washing. Mild dish soap and water work well to clean window and door frames. Make sure to rinse soap residue thoroughly with clean water and soft cloth. Do not use abrasive or caustic soap, cleaner, or solvents. They may damage the finish of your windows. If possible, avoid washing windows in direct sunlight. Use mixture of mild soaps and water or glass cleaner to clean the glass. Remove screens and wash with a soft brush on a flat surface with mild soap and water. Rinse, dry, and reinstall. Window sashes require occasional lubrication to ensure smooth and easy operation. Make sure lubrication will not damage material used to build the windows. Occasionally lubricate all moving parts, including rollers and tracks. Periodically examine weather stripping and replace if damaged. Keep roller track area of sill clean and free from dirt and debris.